Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to buy Bitcoin with ApplePay. What you need to do, you need to go to this site paxful.com and here buy Bitcoin, pay via, click here, show all, and then select ApplePay. Yeah, just click here, and then I want to spend, enter the amount, and here minimum I have 20.9950 Vietnamese dong. Okay, after that click find offers. Yeah, you can see here I have some offers with Apple Pay. This one, for example, have 14 reviews, 33, 124, and you can see a lot. This is what you need to do if you want to buy Bitcoin with Apple Pay. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.